Okay, well, we're getting everything together that we need to build the beds over at the Aliyah Return Center for all of the different people that will be coming and staying to work on the new Lone Soldier building, which we are renovating, and we are renovating it with skill and with precision and with determination.
Where are you taking all this?
We're gonna build some beds over in the area where the volunteers will be staying, who are gonna be coming from all over the world and sleeping on these. It's gonna be a beautiful bunk bed, and it's gonna be amazing.